In our team, our mission is to elevate people's life. In business, we talk about second mile service. We are here to serve others.
We're here at Rosemead High for blood drive.
For a good cause.
To help the community and people who need help.
Whether it's to help us with a project, help us with an event, sponsor an event, help a chamber member, he has never backed out on a commitment.
Education, medical clinics, and the community. Right? Once you transform the community, that's when you transform the people.
We want to partner up with local communities to make an impact with the local community.
Through our partnership with you, was able to treat common medical problems that some of the populace may face and help the people have a better quality of life there.
So this morning, we are fortunate to have this opportunity to serve our local community. And for all of our clients who are watching this, again, thank you for your business, thank you for your trust, thank you for your referrals. For every person that you refer to our sales team, we, person in our team, we take a portion of our income towards mission like this.